you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man. We're ugly dudes.
Rex!
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Boys, no one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we jumped back. All the way.
If you remember,
Generator. It's the only way back.
September, there it is. It's changing. We got the generator. Oh yeah. We'll see about that.
Rocket to get us back.
This thing is more complicated than I thought.
I will destroy you.
Rocket, anytime. Okay. Let me try this. Wait just one. I hate milk. Well, we're here. It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Velveteen, link your star blasters. We have them contained, but not for long.
Our goal would have been perfect.
Yeah, well, no.
Locking coordinates will echo.
It's at
That is